Pendiaming ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
Memorandums went into the none of the memorandums were replied.
You can tell us about the decision.
The decision will take tonight, sir.
Okay.
So what is the outcome of your meeting with the CM?
So our demands are like we have already produced in the banner. You can see that we want a reinstatement of our services, and we also demand a special MTET for because most of the teachers are overage here. So we cannot compete with the new generation appearing in MTET. So we want special MTET and get our services regularized. And by that time, we want our services to be reinstated and continue as contractual till the age of 60. Isn't it? We have data of Assam government and some other states also that contractual teachers were not thrown out, but they were given a different kind of opportunities. So we also want that same treatment.
From Meghalaya Government at the School Contractual Association, feel sad when we come out from the meeting with our Chief Minister, because we hope that we get a positive response from the government, especially from our Chief Minister, but we get the negative one. We got the negative one. He blamed the previous government. But as per my ideas, if the previous government did wrong, the present government will have to correct it. If we follow the wrong one, then all the state all the people in the state will die one day. So I request once again, MD government, especially our Chief Minister, 2 times as a contractual teacher, we have found you blame the others, the previous government. Please, sir, if you found the previous government doing something wrong, you have the right to correct it. You have the right to correct it. So from my side, I didn't have any other words. Thank you. All friends, especially the media, who time to time help us to spread the news in the state and in the country also. Thank you.
What will be the next step?
Hold a meeting tonight itself, and I'll inform you all by tomorrow morning.
The strike is continuing. Your protest is continuing.
I think we have to continue. We have to continue. Our protest we have to continue. But what type of agitation we'll announce, we will announce tomorrow.
Will you be seeking the help of other?
We will welcome.
If
they come.
yeah.
If they come to help us, then we will definitely welcome.
Yeah.
And it will be also helpful for us.
Thank you.